Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of my channel RG Innovations. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button and select all to get all the notifications of my upcoming videos. After so many days, today it's going to be an unboxing video because recently I have purchased a few items, so I want to share it with you and I'll do the unboxing with you. So let's open the box and see what is inside. With bubble wrap, nice packing. So let me first remove the bubble wrap and all, and insert it. So let's see what is inside. I'll show one by one to you. This is a motor, a priming motor. I use this in making automatic hand sanitizer machines. So one of this. Let's keep these things aside and let me show you one by one what is there. So first, these are alligator clip cables used in connecting different components in different projects. One is this. Now here are few infrared LEDs. I am going to build a mass sterilization device. So for that I have imported these LEDs. Now this is a nipper. My old nipper has got damaged, so I purchased a new one. Let's see how does it look. Okay. This looks cool. This one is an optocoupler. This is a stereo jack, audio jack for using headphones. Here I have two things. Let me show. One is stereo audio jack and another is ATtiny 404 development board. Okay. What else is there? This is Arduino Pro Mini. I am not opening the packet. The Arduino Pro Mini. These two are potentiometers, PCB mount potentiometers. One is 10K and one is 100K. Same. This is 10K and this is 100K. Two pieces of each. Then I have one IC. This is L2930 motor driver IC. Hope you can see. Then I have some more LEDs and two optocouplers. Some more LEDs here and some more LEDs here. I have imported different types of LEDs. Collecting LED is one of my hobby. This is another type of LED. Here 2-3 things are there, so let me open up the packet. One is the long shaft potentiometer. This is a long shaft PCB mount potentiometer. One is a 6-volt relay. This is a 6-volt relay. And again, few more LEDs. Then two pieces of crocodile clips. and one breadboard. Although I have a few breadboards, but I needed one more, so I bought one breadboard for my prototyping purpose. And this is the motor that I have already shown you earlier. So these are the items that I purchased, and now let me tell you where did I purchase all from. I purchased it from Hatch and Hack Solution. Their website is H&H Card. Although this is not a promotional post, but this seller is really good and their price is reasonable. So I usually purchase my components from this website, and their customer service is also very good. So this is for today. We will meet again with a new video very soon. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Have a nice time.